Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have your sequence ready, so start by opening the text panel and switching to Transcribe. First, select the sequence you want transcribed. Premiere analyzes the active timeline only. Then choose the correct language and any quality presets. This affects speed and accuracy. Once done, click Transcribe Sequence and let Premiere process the audio. The progress bar appears in the text panel. Make sure playback audio is clear and that you've removed non-speech tracks to improve results before continuing to the next step. When the transcript appears, review it and correct common errors, names, technical terms, and punctuation. Use the split and merge tools to adjust segment length so captions don't exceed reading speed. Aim for 2 lines max and about 42 characters per line. If multiple speakers exist, apply speaker labeling for clarity. Once satisfied, click Create Captions, pick your caption format, C708, SRT, etc. Set max characters per line and frame rate to match sequence settings, then generate the caption track. To get the transcript file, open the text panel's Export menu and choose Export Transcript or Export Captions. Select SRT, TXT, or your required format and set timecode options. If exporting captions, you can embed them in the video via Export Settings Captions or save a sidecar file. Finally, verify the exported file by opening it in a text editor or media player. If timing or words are off, rerun the transcription after removing background tracks, or increase the accuracy setting before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.